Hey there everyone, welcome to another video of Fox Android. So in this video we're going to learn how to sort the elements inside a cycler view, right? So for example, each item inside a cycler view is the object of the model class. So you can sort the elements based on any field of your object, right? For example, if you have a user with first name, last name and age, you can sort it in the ascending order or descending order based on the first name, last name or the age, right? So we'll be learning that. We are not going to implement the cycler view in this video. This will be in continuation with our cycler view series, right? So if you do not know how to implement the cycler view, you can just check out this video by clicking on this I button, and in case you have already implemented the cycler view, you can skip that video and you're good to go. So let me just demonstrate what you can get by the end of this video. So you can see on my mobile screen I have this cycler view opened, and all the news items are arranged in the ascending order according to the heading, right? So alphabetically they are arranged, so the headlines with the A appears first, then B, C, D and so on and so forth, right? So this is what we'll be getting by the end of this video. So if you want to implement the same to your Android application, make sure you watch this video till the end. So without much ado, let's get started. So guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification icon for receiving notification of the upcoming videos. And by the end of the video, if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. So let's start with the sorting thing, right? So here you can see this is our main activity in which we have implemented the cycler view, and this is the list. This is the array list in which we have all the data, right? So here you can see that the data is when I just put the data, it was randomly distributed. But before I just create an object of the adapter and pass this list, I need to sort it, right? So for sorting, we have a collection class in java.util package. We'll be using that. So for this, we'll use collections.sort, right? And here we'll pass the array list that we want to sort and the comparator, right? So here it'll compare the two objects at a time, the news O1 and O2. So here we need to define that on what parameter we want to compare these two objects. For example, this is my data class, right? So I have two fields inside it, the heading and the ID of the title image. You may have, for example, 6-7 fields, and you can decide on what field you want to arrange these. So for the timing, I'll be comparing these two on the basis of the heading. So I'll just write return. So we'll return O1 dot, I want to do it on the basis of heading. You can select whatever field you want to, dot compare to ignore case, because we want to ignore the upper or lower case, doesn't matter. And inside this bracket we need to pass the second object, O2 dot heading, again heading, right? And that is it, right? This particular line of code will compare all the elements and arrange it in the ascending order, right? And but make sure that, for example, the type of this heading is string. It should be comparable with second element, right? It should not like be that you pass string here then integer here, it will throw exception and your app would crash, right? So make sure the type of both the elements is same, right? So that is all. That is the code we need to write to sort this list, right? Then we will pass this list to the adapter and it will sort it. But there might be some other case. For example, you want to sort it when a user presses the button. Then what you can do is you can just use this method inside the on click listener of that button. Then you can use myAdapter.notify dataset change, because your adapter is pointing to this particular list. When you will pass notify dataset change, it'll again refresh itself and your data will be shown in the ascending order. So let us just quickly install this app to our cell phone and check if it is working fine or not, right? Okay guys, the app has been installed to my cell phone, and you can see here all the items are there in the ascending order based on the heading, right? So this is how we sort things inside a recycler view, right? Now what if we want to display all the items in the reverse order, right? We just want to reverse this order. Then we have another method in our collections framework. So for example, here our list is sorted in the ascending order. Then we can use collections dot reverse and just pass the list. So now the list will be in the descending order. This is how you can invert your list. So we have successfully implemented this feature to our Android application, and I also hope that you guys have understood the code. In case of any doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram. The Instagram username will be there on screen right now. So if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and in case you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon for seeing the notification of the upcoming videos. So that is it for today's video. See you in another video. Bye.